Okay, you are welcome back to KSD Concept. That is KSD Tech Concept, where values are number one priority. Alright, so here I'm going to take you through how we are going to use to generate these images. Image we have been looking at. You see how beautiful this image are, how handsome this our guy is, and how beautiful this our lady down there is. So you can see the original image and you can see the the one generated. You can see how this lady is been looking plenty. Alright, so we're going to do one or two now. So how to do it is, if I touch on this, I click on generate change model. So you choose the model you want to use to generate your image. So don't worry, just continue watching. I will show you how to get started on this. So if you open the app, come to this point, you click on generate, then select the model you want to generate. So I want to go for suits, a bit casual. So let me just go for casual here. Which person am I going to choose? So all these things is what I'm going to use. So you have a lot of it, and they are always updating the portal for more images. So let me just choose this person. Let me see what this is going to give me. So once you are done selecting, you click on this point. So to use this model, okay, so if once you click on it, it will start loading. This is the seconds. For the first time you will do your own, it will take you a long time, but after that first time, this one will be taking you a minute to 2 minutes. It will be done. That is 2 to 3 minutes. Yeah, it will be done. So the first one may take more than, it will take up to 5 minutes sometimes, so depending on the image size. So that is what will constitute how long it will take you to load the image on the portal before it will start generating it for you. Okay, so do well to subscribe on this channel, as you know that you're getting value, and comment on the comment section. So this, if you need this, no, this app is paid, so for you need to make payment for you to be able to use it. So but there is a secret on how to maneuver the payment. If you wishes to know about it, you can send a DM as the number you are seeing on your screen, or you can chat me up. You can comment that you're interested to get the secret on how to use the app for some time without you making the payment that is involved. So if you want to get the secret, just drop a comment on the comment section, then say I'm interested in getting it, or you can chat me directly on the message box, or the number you're seeing on your screen. So I will use it to tell me that you got this, that you need to got the secret behind the payment bypass. Alright, so I will take you through how I'm going to do it. So nevertheless, we are waiting. In next 20 seconds our image will be ready. Okay, so that is how it will be going. So once this thing, the circle complete, your image will come out, and sometimes you will like it, sometimes it may not fit what you want, so you will regenerate with another model. You see our image is out. It's out. Let's see the magic. Let's see the magic. Wow, we are waiting to see the magic. Wow, magic, come out. We are eager to see you. Magic, you are, can you see something? Can you see something? Can you see the magic? So sometimes the image will not come out as neat well, so you just need to make it. You can delete it by this way or save it by this way. So these are the two ways. Any image you take by your left hand side is deleting, and any image you take by the right hand side is saving. So as I put here, is saved. This one also is saved. You can see how what we get from those images. You can see, wow. So you can see what we get. Wow, you can see what we get. See, handsome boy, hey, handsome man. Wow. So that is it. So you can decide to save it as photo. You can, once it has slide to your right hand side, it has saved as photo. Then you can, if you want it to be in video, I want to sorry, I wanted to use another model, but okay, it's not going back again. So once that one is complete, I will want to show you how to use another model. So you just need to select any one that you select. You can use the same process to generate a storm image of yourself or of your client. So you can use these tools now to start making massive income for yourself and for anyone around you. So you can use it to generate a good quality image for your friends and your loved ones. Okay, so just stay tuned as we continue to unveil a lot of opportunities for you on this digital aspect. All right, click on the notification, share, like, comment, and do well to support our channel. So whatever thing you wishes to use to support our channel, you can use it to support our channel. All right, so then for the payment, you can also cancel your payment here, payment subscription cancel. So from here you can decide to cancel. You can see how much I'm paying here, 37k. So it's not a small money. That is why I asked you to pay for you to get the secret behind this. 37k is not here. All right, so for you to know how to pass this, you can come to my DM. So that is what I have for you today. Then what other thing, that is when you have subscribed. If you want to subscribe directly, you can subscribe directly, but if you don't want to subscribe directly, I will show you the step-by-step guide on what I'm going to be doing for you to be making use of the app for the meantime. All right, until then, we see what to have. So the second one, that one that I put on, is coming up again. So let's see how that one looks like before I use another model. So each of the model has its own way of giving you out what you wishes to get. All right, so each of them you selected. Make sure your network is stable. This is network. This is the handwork of network. Is the handwork of network. You can see, wow, you see how what this gave us. Oh my god, oh my god, you can see, Jay, this boy is so fine, but it's dark here. You can see how this boy is looking, just that it's dark. So change model. Here is where if you want to save this as video, you can click here, save as video. Yes, save as video. You see how it is moving. So this is the app you're going to use to do your own. So if you say no, you don't want to use it to generate again, so you can just need to click and choose another model. What is another model I'm going to use now? Let's use this American Embassy. Okay, so this is what we are going to see now. Let's watch and see the magic again. Let's watch and see the magic again. All right, do you see what we have? We have a stunning image, so pure. Wow, can you see? Can you see fine bobo? Can you see fine bobo? Can you see fine bobo? Okay, so that is what we have for you today. So if you like what you see, DM us. Let's take you through how to get started. Alright? If you like what you see, if you like what you see, if you like what you see, DM us. Let's put you through. Comment on the comment section. Let's put you through. Okay? It's very important. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day ahead. Bye.